Hey, it's me, Seth, and today I'm making a Will's Pet Shop video with my sister.
Rebecca.
And these are her little pet shops, and so she's going to show them to you. And she's going to show you her favorite one first, and it's this one you can see. It is a baby hamster. And she got it with another set that came with, it came with, and then it came with this dog, and that's those little pet shops. I'm gonna show you dogs first, and then I showed you that one dog. Oops, sorry.
He's a big boy. He's a tall boy.
He's a bulldog, you can see. And then there is this dog. I don't know what type of dog he is. And then there's this King Charles Spaniel that I bought for her as a present. And there's this dog that she has from a 20-pack, became 20 Will's Pet Shops. And then there's this dog that she got for Christmas. And then there's this walkable dog. I'll show you it walks.
It's cool with the eyes, the clear eyes.
That's it.
No, it's not.
There he is. He's a wiener dog. And
And
then there's one more dog. It's Sparkle. See. And then now she's gonna show you her sparkles. Sparkles, or whatever they're called.
Sparkles.
Sparkles, yeah. That's it. That's it. And then there's this anteater. Golden sparkles. And there is the beaver. On that woodchucker. Woodchucker. Something like that. Oh, and then she has a woodpecker.
And here's another woodpecker.
Yeah, here's the. You can talk about it. And
Here's the other woodpecker. The non-sparkle. And then here's the other bird. It is a flamingo that can stand all the way. He's a tall.
And then my favorite one, I guess, off the collection, the monkey. This is pretty cool. It's
And then here's the
Her
pink ones.
pink bunny
The
rabbit.
bunny. The pink porcupine.
Yeah, no, hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Pretty cool.
And then
Here's
there's
a
the
pink, pretty pearly cat. And
and here's a walkable.
click it. Whoa, it's pretty cool, huh?
And
guys?
stop. And then
I got this for her. So she'll be saying thanks.
thanks.
And then there's this one. She got it. Let me check.
Pinsies. Pinsies. That is the pinsies.
She got it from one of her friends, but it comes from McDonald's.
Well, we actually got it.
Okay, she actually got it from McDonald's. And then over show her the equipment. Equipment she has. She has this wagon for the dog walkable. So you put it on her neck,
And then there's
and then it walks.
and there's the
And then you can also put this. You can put these three things.
no, not the shoes. And then the house. The house too.
You can put these three things in her mouth, or his, her, whatever. See. And then it also.
Showing.
No, that's last. And then it also came with this thing, and which is like it's a little thing for the dog to like dig it into stuff, the ground stuff. And then also came with this house.
The house. And then it came with
Door
the
opens and closes and walkable camera. No, it didn't come with that. But here's a bench, so you can set things in there. Will's Pet Shop's in there, like
A monkey.
A monkey if you wanted to. And then there's this, where you could set like the woodpecker, a woodchucker, gosh, or the baby. And then there's this fire hydrant. Yes. Let's see. Then there's this table. Set stuff on. And there's this fire. You can talk about that.
And there's the rope.
Yeah, the rope toy.
And then there's the pile of bones. Here's the cups. The 2 cups.
Yeah, it's one pink and it's kind of a fire set.
And here's the here's a frisbee.
And here's the bone with the tie on it. And then last but not least,
The big bone. The big guy.
so big. It's a seal. See? Seal. And that's it. Rate, comment.